Good evening viewers, it's a long time since I've videoed. I'm out on the Kells of Butte. My first night in a roof tent. I've got about 5 normal tents, but this is the first roof tent. This is my setup. Obviously, fire pit, firewood, chair, beer. And I'll let you see the roof tent. Season 08 Vertex Light 130. I'm actually quite pleased with it. Obviously this is my first night, so I haven't yet slept in it. Not bad. Not bad. View. Okay, take you inside. It's inside, so I've got my sleeping bag. I've brought an extra sleeping mat. Got the roof vents open because it's important to have air circulating, or you get condensation just like normal tents. So hopefully a couple of wee boot bags here, which is quite good, stops you from getting the tent dirty. And that's just it. So I'm going to have my sit down, get the fire on and have a beer. Speak to you later. Bye for now. Cheers. I don't know what the sound is like in the GoPro from here, but anyway, it's a fabulous night tonight. So good to get back out. And the good thing is it's only April and there's no midges, thankfully. Anyway, I hope you have a good night, because I'm certainly going to have a good night. Cheers. Good morning campers. That was a good first night in the tent. No condensation whatsoever, so that was good. It's about 9 degrees at 7 o'clock this morning, so that's quite good. Anyway, this is a view of the Kells of Butte. Coffee's on. So I can say the first night in the roof tent has been a success. Bye for now.